Hello, I'm Donald McArthur, and today I'm going to do my first screencast. And we're going to talk about how to write a post in WordPress. If you've never done it before, this should walk you through the process. And after you do it a few times, you'll see that you actually have no problem doing so. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to log into WordPress, log into your dashboard. You're going to see something a little bit different because I've got all my tabs on the dashboard minimized. But the first thing you will see is this column here, your toolbar on the left-hand side. So you're going to go on mouse over post and then click add new. And then we want to fill in these blanks. We're going to add a title. Now I wrote my post in Grammarly because I'm terrible at grammar. So we're just going to copy that, I'm going to add it to the title, and then I'm going to copy the actual content and add it as well. Now I don't have an image to add to this specific post, but if you wanted to, all you would do is click where you want to add your image and then click add media, and you would select from your images what you want, or you'd click upload files and so drag and drop it, or find your image and select it there. But we're not doing that, so we can just close this. So the next thing we want to do is I'm going to close this format and a few things that you're not going to see because that has to do with my theme. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down to categories. And this is just how you define where your post goes. Most people have several categories for a post just to keep things neat and easily accessible for users. To me, this is an education one, so I'm going to click education. And then, because it's just the general overall topic of what we're posting about. If you want to get specific into that topic, you would add a tag. And you click here in this tags field. And in this case, it's a WordPress. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add WordPress to it. You can see I already have another one here. So I'm just going to click that and then click add. We're not going to worry about Yoast SEO right now, but this is how you, it's a great plugin. Everybody uses it because it's fantastic. And this is how Google will hopefully find your post later on. But we're not going to worry about that. The next thing I like to do is I like to add a featured image. And it's not necessary. I just like the way it looks, and featured images run really all throughout my site, so it's almost a must-have for me. So just like before, I'm going to add media, and you can upload files. I've already done that. I've created my image already. I like using Canva because it's free and they have templates and it's super easy. So here it is, making a post in WordPress. I'm going to set the featured image. And all we have to do now is publish it. If you wanted to, you can edit when you want to publish it by clicking edit there and selecting what date you wanted and what time. I'm just going to publish mine right now. So all I want to do is click publish. And it's going to take a few minutes. Won't take too long. And it will go and publish this to your site. So if you want to view it, all you have to do now is click View Post. And it's going to show up on your WordPress blog. Pretty simple, and that's all there is to it.